and I have lost 4 kgs in last 20 days, and it's my post-pregnancy weight loss journey that I've recently started. And with the help of the dietitian Ghazala, she's very helpful and she's very quick and she's always available, and she's like available round the clock. You have any doubt, you have any question, she's there. Best part of this program is that the flexibility of the workout regime that we get. It's like you can choose any 1 hour and you can work out. As you all know that with a small baby, it's very difficult to fix a particular time for workout, but it's very easy with this program that you can choose any of the time slots and you can make sure that you are working out. Because I've seen this before also with myself only, that without exercise your diet will not work, and without diet your exercise will not work. Both things go hand in hand, so everything is needed so that you get good results. Thank you so much for this program.